Hello guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome to Quiz and Quotes and this is the part 4 of the accounting short question and answer. We are again going to discuss 2025 questions of the accounting fundamental which are very much important for your examinations. So take it very seriously, very carefully, and you can, if you have any question, you can always always ask in the description box in the comment, and we'll be happy to answer you. So without wasting time, let's go ahead for discussing the questions. So the first question coming is goods given in charity is credited in dash account. If you are giving goods for the charity, it will be credited in dash account. The answer is purchase account. When the goods are given in charity, is credited in the purchase account. Second question, such expenses which are paid in current year but are related to next year are called dash expenses. Such expenses which are paid in the current year but are related to next year or even next to next year or future years is called dash expenses. It's called prepaid expenses. That means whatever you paid this year, the benefit of that can be taken in the next year or even next year ahead, depending on the nature of agreement. Third question is accrued income is dash account. I repeat, accrued income is dash account. What is personal, nominal, real? What is that? And the answer is personal account. Accrued income is a personal account. Next question. There is dash fall in the value of assets due to depreciation. There is dash fall in the value of asset due to depreciation. The answer is the constant gradual. There is a the assets are constantly decreasing its value, its utility over the time up to its lifetime given or the plant. So there is a constant fall in the value of asset due to depreciation. Next, interest on capital is always shown in dash side of the profit and loss account. Interest on capital is always shown in dash side of the profit and loss account, and the answer is the debit side. Interest on capital is always shown in the debit side of the profit and loss account. I repeat, this is the interest on capital given. Next question, unearned income is shown on the dash side of the balance sheet. Unearned income, the income that is not yet earned, is shown in the dash side of the balance sheet, liability side of the balance sheet. Unearned income is shown in the liability side of the balance sheet. Next, the main object of non-trading concern is dash. The main object of non-trading concern is it a profit making or social service? It's a social service. The main object of non-trading concern is social service. Next question, the debit side of income and expenditure account is called dash side. I repeat, the debit side of income and expenditure account is called dash side. The answer is expenditure. The debit side of income and expenditure account is called expenditure side. Next question, non-trading concern maintain their books according to dash system. I repeat the question, non-trading concern maintain their books according to dash system. The answer is cash system. Dash account is prepared with the help of cash book. Dash account is prepared with the help of cash book. Receipt and payment account is prepared with the help of cash book. Dash represent the excess of assets over liabilities. Dash represent the excess of asset over liabilities. What is the asset minus liabilities? That is capital. That means capital represents the excess of asset over liabilities. Next question. Depreciation is charged only in the case of the profits. Is it correct? If there is a loss, are you not going to charge the depreciation? Wrong. The depreciation is charged both in the case of profit or loss, whatever it may be. Next question. Unearned income is recorded in asset side. True or false? Unearned income is recorded in the asset side. Wrong. Unearned income is recorded in the liability side. Next question. Interest on capital is income for the business. Is it true? Interest on capital is the income for the business. No, this is the expenditure of the business. It is to be paid to the shareholders or the partners, whosoever is given the money for the business. Next question. Drawing of goods is deducted from the purchase. True or false? Drawing of goods is deducted from the purchase. It's true. Drawing of goods is always deducted from the purchase. Next question. Doctor employed with the government is an example of non-trading professionals. Doctor employed with government is an example of non-trading professional. True or false? This is false. Professional people maintain their accounts according to cash system. True or false? True. Professional people maintain their accounts according to cash system. Income and expenditure account reveal cash balance. Income and expenditure account reveal cash balance. True or false? It's false. Income and expenditures account doesn't reveal the cash balance. Next question. Capital items are written in the receipts and payment account. True or false? Capital items are written in receipt and payments accounts. True or false? It's true. No adjustment is made in receipt and payment account. True or false? No adjustment is made in the receipt and payment account. Not required. So it is true statement. Whatever we receive and whatever we pay is just recorded in the receipt and payment account. So we finished the series of 20-25 questions in this case. Now it is a gift time. For that, getting the gift, you have to go to description box. There is a link over there. Click in the link. It will take to the particular website. Explore the gift. It may change your life. It may help you to come as a financially free. It's not that easy, but you have to explore the things, learn the things. But I can only say it is a great opportunity. So guys, thank you so much. Share these MCQs, these questions to all the deserving students, your friend and family, so that they get the benefit out of that. Let's help the people to grow together. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best. Stay happy, stay healthy. Thank you.